Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to text transparent in Capcut. Open your project, add a text layer, duplicate it, reduce opacity on the top layer, apply blend mode multiply or screen, and adjust blur and shadow for clarity. Export a PNG if you need a mask, or use the keyframe opacity to animate transparency. Preview on different backgrounds to ensure readability and tweak color and stroke settings quickly. Select the text and choose mask or overlay tools depending on your Capcut layout. For a clean, transparent effect, use duplicate layers with inversion and precise opacity values. Use blur sparingly, increase contrast against background, and add a subtle stroke if edges look rough. For motion, keyframe opacity and position to keep the transparency consistent. Always preview on several clips and export at high quality today. Quick recommendation: if you like editing on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading scripts and tutorials between edits. It has a glare-free display and long battery life, perfect for learning. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so more tips reach you. I put the Kindle link and other deals in the description, so take a look there. Now let's get back to the video. Try layer blending modes like screen versus multiply to see what works with your footage. Use color grading to make transparent text pop and adjust saturation rather than brightness for subtlety. If edges still read poorly, add a tiny drop shadow or increase stroke width by 1 pixel to define shape. For animated transparent text, ease keyframes for smoother transitions and keep motion under 16:9 composition limits when matching aspect ratios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.